Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mining News Flash with Endeavour Silver, Skeena Resources and Canagold Resources. Endeavour Silver intersected high-grade silver-gold mineralization in their 2021 exploration drilling program to expand the Curso ore body at the Guanaceví mine. The company currently produces from 3 ore bodies at Guanaceví called Mineralized, Curso and SCS. Exploration drilling at the Curso and SCS continues at full speed. Highlights of recent drill results included 3.27 grams gold over 2,750 grams silver with a true width of 4.1 meters, or almost 4.3 grams gold and almost 3,500 grams silver with a true width of 2.6 meters respectively. Within these drill holes, there were even intersections with 18 and 21 kilograms silver per ton. Absolute top values, and that too within the producing ore bodies. All the more reason to continue to record excellent drill results as they move away from the current margins of the Curso ore body. Only another 100 meters need to be drilled before Curso joins the Mineralized ore body to the west, and a similar gap needs to be filled to join Curso with the previously mined Porvenir Quattro ore body to the east. All indications are that all the ore bodies are interconnected to form a continuous ore body over 1,500 meters in length with a vertical extension of 400 meters. This would make it comparable to the original Porvenir Norte ore body from which Guanaceví was already producing 14 years ago. Nothing more should stand in the way of a great production future for Guanaceví, and Endeavour Silver is thus massively extending the mine life to the delight of us shareholders. Skeena Resources intersected almost 5 grams gold equivalent per ton over 8.2 meters at Eskay Creek in a new mineralized corridor, according to the latest diamond drill core results from the 2021 campaign of near-mine exploration drilling at Eskay Creek in British Columbia's Golden Triangle. The exploration program focused on testing targets both in-pit and near-mine and totaled over 4,375 meters in 20 surface-based drill holes. Other highlights showed almost 2 grams gold and 25 grams silver over 7.5 meters, also 2.2 grams gold and 9 grams silver over 15 meters, and almost 4 grams gold with 71 grams silver over 8.2 meters. These are all great drill results that continue to enhance the economics of the future mine. Mineralization was also discovered in the Gap Zone. 2 drill holes located in an essentially undrilled 300 meter by 75 meter corridor between the 21A and 21B zones have demonstrated the presence of additional mineralization in the contact mudstone. Although the contact mudstones have a very predictable geological continuity from the historically mined 21B zone south towards the 21A zone across this largely undrilled gap, the lack of sufficient drill density precluded the inclusion of mineralization in this area in the company's 2021 resource estimate. That is expected to change soon, we think. The 21C HW zone is expanding along strike. Mineralization in this zone, originally outlined over a strike length of 160 meters, has now been extended by 50 meters along strike to the north by 2 drill holes. This newly developing zone of mineralization remains open for expansion. The drilling defining additional mineralization in these developing parts of the open pit outlined in the 2019 PEA provides additional opportunities as these areas were previously considered to be non-mineralized waste rock. Think about it. Eskay Creek's value is rising and rising. We are positive on the stock price for Skeena Resources. Canagold Resources reports on recent progress and planned activity in 2021 at 3 of their gold properties optioned to third parties. In the Fondaway Canyon Permit area in Nevada, Canagold sold a 100% interest in the Fondaway Canyon and Dixie Comstock properties in Churchill County to Getchell Gold under an option agreement. Getchell recently secured a drill rig and plans to commence a 4,000-meter drill program in May 2021. An initial drill program in 2020 of almost 2,000 meters returned positive results, and a recently released updated mineralization model was built based on the new geological information. Canagold received the first anniversary payments due of $100,000 in cash and $200,000 in Getchell Gold shares under the terms of the option agreement. The option agreement is now in its second year with a commitment to carry out work on the concession area of $400,000. The minimum expenditure for the first year of $300,000 has already been made by Getchell. Canagold sold 100% interest in the Lightning Tree concessions, now part of the Badger Gold property in Lemhi County, to Ophir Gold Corporation under an option agreement. Ophir recently signed an agreement to a 3,200-meter drill program to commence on 1st June this year and is committed to exploration expenditures totaling $2 million Canadian over 3 years. By September 2021, Canagold is to receive an additional cash payment of $25,000 Canadian and an additional 1.25 million Ophir Gold shares and the same amount of Ophir Gold warrants. In addition, the company has now assigned its right to earn a 75% interest in the Princeton property from Universal Copper and Sidney Wilson to Damara Gold. Damara recently completed a 533-meter drill program in 9 holes and announced high-grade gold intercepts in the largest vein on the property. Damara issued 9.9% of the outstanding Damara common shares to Canagold and took all steps necessary to exercise the underlying option to acquire the Princeton property. If Damara retains its interest in the Princeton property until 31st December 2021, Damara will issue additional shares to increase the company's interest in Damara to 19.9% of the outstanding Damara shares. All in all, this allows Canagold to fully focus on advancing the new Polaris gold mine in British Columbia, which is 100% owned by the company. A drilling program of 24,000 meters in 47 holes will start here in May. This should mean a good news flow in the coming months, which should also benefit the share price. We see Canagold really undervalued today. My team and/or myself are or may become shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.